Hi, I'm here in northern Norway. I'm going to talk to you about the new Outdoor Research Allies line Colossus Pant. Now this is a waterproof synthetic insulated over trouser. It is made of Ascent shell face fabric and Vertical X insulation synthetic, or insulation, sorry. So Vertical X is a fabric specific to outdoor research, and it's a highly breathable yet very robust face fabric with a very robust face fabric that gives you a good waterproof and weatherproof outer layer. It is not a taped seam garment, and obviously with a zip down the side it would seem somewhat pointless. But the fabric itself is really light, yet really functional and great for its specific job. Now the insulation, Vertical X, and you can see this looks like a big trouser, and it is. It's very warm, although I have to say this is probably a size too large for me. It is a large, and I'm probably better in a medium. But it compresses exceptionally small and has really great loft within it. So what that means is it expands quickly to give you the maximum amount of insulation that it possibly can. So it is perfect for going into the bottom of a rucksack or a Bergen or whatever, and will take that hard compression with all your extra kit around it. Yet when you take it out, it will very quickly grow to fit and give you as much insulation as you would want or need. If we look at some of the features of the product, you can see that it's got a normal waistline with a Velcro at the top and a normal fly, just giving that normal functionality that you would need when in this space for an protected period of time. It also it's ready to be used with braces, and I'd actually say that's a really good idea, particularly when moving around. If we look at the zip on the side, it goes the full length of the garment, so you can completely zip this off and take it out. Now that makes it very easy to put on, but also very quick and easy to take off. However you would like to do that, whether you're stood up, lying down, whatever it is. You've also got two zippered hand warmer pockets, one there and one here. At the bottom you've got a harder wearing instep, just to deal with that abrasion when moving and walking along, and you've got a normal open hem at the bottom which fits nicely and comfortably over the boots. There is also an eyelet, so you can put a retaining strap there if you need to. Now, as far as the use of this is concerned, it is that perfect piece when you're sat still within the cold, whether that's in an observation post or anything else that you're doing. Really easy to get in, very quickly. It adds that heat, keeps you going and looks after you. So ideal for this environment, with that robustness, that packability, a really useful piece.